What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it is another one on Terra Classic, which has once again been pumping up in value, 40% up in the last 24 hours, making it this value here. So as you can see, it has been pumping through the last 24 hours quite consistently. It has its dips here and there, but overall it has been moving more on the positive direction. So is it going to keep going up in value? Is it going to drop back down? Is it going to go back to the $1 mark like everyone's saying, or is that just a saying? Is it not going to do that? As you can see, over the last 7 days as well, it's been pumping quite well. So where is it heading to next? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what I'm going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how far Terra Classic can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we can see in the last hour itself, we managed to gain just about 4% in value. Over the last day, 40%. Over the week, a massive 176% in a single week. That is absolutely crazy. It all started on about very late August, where it started to pump up in value, fluctuated here, and ever since the 5th to about yesterday, it started to pump up again. And over the month, there's a 300% increase on Terra Classic, guys, over the last 4 weeks. Yeah, this has been performing very well. It's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype recently, but a lot of people don't believe in it, and a lot of people also believe in it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys are doing with your Terra Classic. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has once again gone up by a massive 400% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.8 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Terra Classic. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, because yeah, guys, 2.8 billion is a huge amount of money. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and move on to the daily chart. I'm zooming into the daily chart here. We do have the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Terra Classic at this value here. However, it is trading at a much higher value, more than double, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's get out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So we are on the 30-minute chart, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning very minimal drops are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect Terra Classic to trade at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, that doesn't mean we're not going to see more green candlesticks. Of course we are. I am expecting it to go way above what it's worth at the moment, pump up more in value, but we have to consider the dips in between as well. So I'm expecting it to dip back down. It's going to be volatile up and down, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect minimal drops in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, guys. So we've got the blue line and the orange line slightly slanting towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should again expect an overall decrease in value on Terra Classic. So again, it's going to be a very minimal drop in value, nothing too crazy. And again, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles consistently over the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green, days when it's red, up and down, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. But guys, bear in mind that it's going to be a minimal drop in value. It's not going to be a major drop where it goes all the way back down or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, again we've got the blue line and the orange line slightly slanting towards the positive direction. As you guys can see here, it's not looking too steep, so we can't really tell that it's going in a positive direction. It's very just about slanting. So again, a minimal increase in value is expected over the coming week. So I'm talking about mid-October to late October. We should expect an overall increase in value on Terra Classic. However, I'm not expecting anything too much from this crypto because it's already dropped so much. It's 100% down compared to about the last 6-7 months. So I'm not expecting it to fully recover. I'm not expecting it to hit 1 cent, 10 cents, or even the dollar mark. A lot of people have been saying a lot of different things around Terra Classic, but I myself, I'm not investing into it anymore. I'm just holding on to what I've got, but I'm not expecting it to hit huge numbers anytime soon, or even in the long run as well. I've given up on Terra Classic, and so have a lot of other people. But because it's pumping up in value again over the last month, 3-4 weeks, a lot of people have gained their trust on Terra Classic again. But again, I myself have not gained that, so I'm not going to be investing into it. But again, just because I'm expecting it to go up in value doesn't mean it's going to be a major bull run or a major price bump or anything like that. It is going to be an overall minimal increase in value over the next 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. But yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis on the hourly chart. However, as you guys can see, we've only got 2 weeks worth of chart. There's no point doing the daily chart because we are going to be in the red zone, because obviously the highest it's been to in the last year is $119, and right now, yeah, it's worth literally nothing compared to $119. So that's why I've put the hourly chart on the Fibonacci scale. So as you can see, we are in the top tier level. I'm expecting us to break out this target here over the next couple of hours and then potentially drop back down into this zone here. So again, more or less fluctuating at the current price range is what I'm expecting overall over the next couple of hours. So before I end the video, let me know what your predictions and your expectations are on Terra Classic. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. Comment down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys predict Terra Classic to hit in 2022. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, guys, if those of you who have a different cryptocurrency in mind or have other video suggestions in mind that you guys want me to focus on this channel, like a different crypto or whatever it may be, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to focus on the different cryptos that you guys want me to make a video on. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.